Is Arthur out for now? Oh, jeez. How come they let him stand still for? He makes you run. Oh, really?
He's always starting at goalie. He needs advice. Not just ball.
They catch Arthur looking at butterflies.
He's orange, Mom. Same team.
Which one is he?
Oh,
He's sitting.
oh, he's he's
Orange?
he's under the tent right now. Yeah. Josh. He's on the left side under the tent.
Rowan sitting down.
Yeah.
Go, Connor. Your ball, Connor.
We need a big push away from the spine. Decent, hold it. Hold on. Our first touch of the ball needs to be a big push of the ball. See this? Second first. See this? Line. Yes, that's right. Good hold. Release the ball. Mason, if you mess up, it's okay. But you cannot just give up on defending. Micah, give us some food, Micah.
Come on.
Valdez, you're not going to get away with going into the slide. I like it. Good, keep shooting. Where are you going?
Go, Micah.
Going.
Come on, Connor.
Where are you, Kaden? Blue ball.
Talk to me.
Listen, Valdez, we got to move up. Micah, stay up, Micah. We want you to give us a through first.
Go, Kaden.
Micah, give us a
Go,
through,
Micah.
Pass.
Go, Connor.
Go.
There
you go.
Good
Go,
pass.
Micah. Shoot.
Send it.
Defense, you guys gotta move up, defense.
Good try. Good try.
Good hustle.
Let's move up, guys. Move up. It's okay. Move up. Kaden, move up. Micah, move up.
Come on. Use your head.
Nice save, man. Nice save. Mason, corner of the small ball.
Mason reminds me of
Soccer is
Benji.
low score. Micah, then we can find the first ball. Micah, left the field. Ricky, protect the ball. Hey, just watch 25. Mikey, right there. That's there. Wide open, bro. Wide open.
Nice job. Good job. Go.
Go, Connor.
Let's go. Go.
Go, Connor. Come on, Connor.
try.
Good job.
Hey, Psyche! Psyche!
Good idea.
Out.
Owen.
Ezra, great work. But you see that ball, how it was wider? What does that mean we have to do? Get wider, right? So we don't have to chase that ball. Hard ball.
Come on, boys. Hey, guys. Lock man. On the line. Guys. Go, Taizo. Kick it. Here. Come on, run it. Okay, go.
Go.
Go, Connor. Take it.
Go ahead, take it yourself.
Hit that square ball. Yeah, ball. What shape is that ball? It's a sphere.
No, I'm just kicking at it. Out, out, out! Hard ball. Stop rest. Take off. Stop hard.
Keep going, Ace.
Wow, nice.
Ooh, that was some speed on that ball. Get- Oh. Ball check.
Hey guys. You got a lucky one. Yeah, let's earn one.
That wasn't lucky, that was skill.
Ace, up.
Back to the center.
It is more advice.
Good job, Connor.
Good job.
Hard ball.
Okay. Come on, Ace.
Advice like
Nice.
Go fast. Come on, get there.
Nice try. Do some, sir. Next one, ref.
What number is he?
Right.
26. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, there's a hole between your legs. Come on, Arthur.
Boy, where's the rest of my defense?
There you go.
Good job, Arthur.
Oh, I caught the gas on that one.
Connor G! Psyche, go. Ace, give us a through, Ace. Give us a through, Ace. Where's my through? Fire up the field, Ace.
Up, Ace. Up, Ace. Oh my God.
To the ball. Oh. Your brother can catch the ball. Come on. Back to the center. Right there. Up.
Up, Ace. Up, Ace. Up.
Get it. Let's go, Josh. Josh, get it. Let's go, Josh.
Go, Kaden. Still in. Oh! Good job, good job. Nice. Go, Josh.
Put the email. Or give me your email. I'll send you pictures after.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Arthur, tap it to him and go back to the goal. Tap it to him and go back to the goal. Owen, step. You gotta step to this. Head check down. Give us the through, Ace. You had Prodigy right there raising his hand. You had him. And you had Ace. Owen, play wing. Play wing. Owen, play wing. No, Michael, that's not you. That's Owen. Get up, but you're so good. Hey, don't just stop!
You got it, KJ. Go, KJ. You got it. Nice.
Good stop. Pass. There you go.
Up. You got it.
Dribble. Get out to the center.
Let's go, Hustle.
Come on. Get back to the center. There you go.
Go, Joshy.
Go, Josh.
Come on, Josh.
Oh, good shot, good try. Good try, yeah. Almost.
I got a touch for that shot.
One more time. Let's go, Ace. Nice. Good job, Ace.
You know, he's very fortunate he doesn't eat them.
Nice. No.
Turn around, face the ball!
Go!
Come
Yo.
on, Ace, that's you. Good job.
Right there. Pass to Josh. He's up. Right there. He's open.
Julian!
It's okay. We're keeping the good pressure on their side.
Yeah, pressure's on their side.
Ace, you're too low, Ace! Move up, Ace!
Again. What do you got? Pick it up. Oh. Good job, Isaiah. You got it. You okay?
There you go. There you go.
Oh, his knee got scratched up.
Ace, up. Be open. Talk, guys.
To the right, to the right.
Josh, get open. Josh, get
There you
open.
go.
Go, East.
Oh, good catch. Nice block. That's why you need these umbrellas. Right there. To the right. Right. There you go.
Joshi, we need Micah to stretch the field, not you.
Yep.
Give it my second. Actually, Josh, you can move up top. Micah, your right side now. Seki, we don't want a player behind you, Seki. Look behind you. Yeah, wide open. Let's get goal side. Come on, Anthony. Yeah, stay with it. Why, should we find the switch? Find the switch!
Got it, nice.
Let's
Let's
go,
go,
Josh.
Josh.
Good try.
Good try. Keep trying.
Turn around!
Good time, Julian.
There you go. Come on. Come on.
Not just here. Use the word. Oh, hey, I like the idea, but you gotta. Josh, go.
You have to do it back there. No, do it from here, then you go on to the back.
Give it space. Give it Mike again.
What do you think?
Don't just say good. Use a word.
Go, KJ!
Okay, Jay.
So you know when you
Don't just say ball.
say that one.
Got it. Nice. Stay with. Go, Mason. Get out. Good job.
Anthony, let's go. Raise the ball.
Nice. Good job, Mason.
Give it Mike. Come on, take it yourself. Need it. Give it Mike. KJ, you should be screaming now.
Go, Kaden.
Stand him up. Pass to the middle. Hold the fight. You gotta work. Mikey, come. Ashi, Connor, come. KJ, come. Okay, then go on the left side. Connor, come. Mikey.
Good
Good
try.
job.
Micah, Ace, come. Kaden, come back to holding.
Nice shot.
Advise it, KJ. Advise KJ.
Chasing Megan.
Mason, head check your side, Mason. Head check your side, Mason. Kaden, you gotta give him a way out, Kaden. Joshie, you gotta give him a way out, Kaden.
Nice, Mason. How was that? I gotta pick it up.
Oi! Ezra!
Nice, Mason. Good job. Good job, Connor.
He
Have
needs
a-
advice!
Get open.
Get back in, man! Get back in! Why are you so wide?
Nice, good job.
Yeah. So we get some gold. Some gold.
We touched it.
Screaming! Hey, Kaden, we're still inside our breakup, so you need to bring it out away from the spine. Yeah? Not here.
I was in the foul.
Now you lost the ball, come in the ball, and now they gotta reach out. Hey, move up! Get out of Arthur's way! Move up! Move up! Move up!
Oh, nice. Good job.
That pole is part of the team.
How come?
Pressure, Micah! Faisal, give him an option!
Bad for us.
Go, go! Valdez, be ready. Ace, be ready for the screen for the Ace, you're coming down too low, Ace!
Your son is playing a lot of time.
Good job.
Stretch the field again, Ace! Stretch the field again, Ace! Anthony, you're stepping. Ezra, you're stepping first. Give us a three. Give us a three. You guys are both stepping. Out left!
Nice. Oh, wow.
Hey, Valdez!
That's a tough
You
one.
gave up on that defense way too soon! Hey, you make a mistake, you make up for it.
Is that 1-1?
What was that one?
Yeah.
Hey, how do we do it?
Come on, Ace, pressure.
when I hit that ball. Oh, it's pretty stiff. That one that you thing with.
Give me advice, give me advice, give me advice.
Go, Ace.
He needs you out there, Michael.
Good dribble. Oh. Okay, you wanted to fall.
Kaden, let's look first.
Come on. Back. Not wide.
Michael, you're shifting over to the far, Michael.
Ow.
Reset, Moses! Come on, Ezra. Come on, Ezra. Work here. Michael, hold, Michael! You're shifting over way too far.
We got
Hey,
ankles.
you're gonna run out of gas really fast if you keep on running that much side to side. You're good right there. Stand here.
Did you say something?
Let's go, Ace. You got it. Don't forget the ball.
Away from the spine!
Come on. Spread them out.
Ace, focus.
Oh.
Defense. Help.
Come on, push it out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on. Good D. Kick the ball out. Come on. Defense, where you guys defense?
Reset!
Come on. There you go.
Ace, let's
Push it
go.
out. Come on. Get out.
Nice, Mason.
There you go. Make them work. Come on, support left. Right there. Kick him back. Run. Come on, help out. Come on, kick him. Oh, there's a good sweep.
Nice.
Use your hand.
Back up, guys. Back up.
Don't use your hand. Oh.
Valdez, come!
Uh-oh.
Kaden, come! Connor G, go
Oh,
hold it.
Arthur's
Micah,
in.
come!
He's not a forward. He's not a forward. Mid back. Come on, Arthur, wake up!
Come on, Josh. Ace, let's go, Ace.
Good job, ref. Knock him down. Come on.
Say something, Ace!
Let's go, come on, Ace. There you go. Get yourself open. Back to the center.
Nice job!
Nice pass. Oh. Corner kick, come on. Guys. Corner kick, come on. Come on, put that spin on it. Kick it out, Josh.
Hey, Arthur, listen. Hey, we cannot leave up there like defended. Whatever you see, John. KJ, you say something or what?
Come on, Arthur.
You say anything or what, KJ?
Go, Josh. Go, Josh, right there. Go, Go, Josh. Good fall, good fall. Get up. Let's go, Arthur. Come on. Come on, big boy. Come on, Arthur, run back in. Come on, Josh, right there. Pick it up, Josh. Get him, Arthur. Arthur, reset. Let's go, Ace. Let's go, Ace.
Ace, go! Seki, go! Hey, Ace. Ace. Hey, during that dribble, did you look at the
Josh, turn around, turn around. There you go. Right there, right there.
You got it, Micah. Micah.
He needs that ball.
Pass.
Come on, Owen.
Defense. Come on.
You can do
Oh,
anything.
no. Come on, Arthur. Where you at, Arthur? Help out.
Give him that ball. We got it, JJ. Hey, Valdez! Hey, next time just stay between your poles and let your team defend. Hey, let's go, guys. Let's go. Just keep going.
Oh, you had it.
We gotta move up, Arthur. Psyche, move up, Psyche. KJ, don't just kick the ball. We gotta win them back out now. We gotta win back. Find Ezra. Find Ezra. Find Ezra. Under. Go, Ezra. Away from the spine.
Come on.
KJ, we're in the breakout already. You don't have to pass the ball. You can attack the goal too. Go, Anthony. Come on, Owen.
Go, Josh.
You got it. Come on, Michael, you got it. Pressure.
Go, Josh.
Nice,
Go,
Josh.
go.
Josh.
Come on, buddy.
Oh,
nice. So close. So close.
Let's shift.
Get ready, Arthur.
Arthur, go.
What?
Reset, Psyche. Reset, Psyche. Hey, no, drop down, though, James. On defense, drop. Towards our goal. Okay, come. Mason, you just went in. Let's go, get it out of our half. Get it out of our half. Find Ezra. Look up, man. Look up, look up.
Hi, Josh.
Here we.
Look up, look up.
You got it, Josh. Hard.
Oh,
Nice try. Good job, Josh.
Cheer your brother on, right? Just don't stop trying.
Joshy. Josh. Watch the long ball.
KJ. Come on, Ezra. Give him advice. Quick with the advice. Quick with the advice.
Josh, you need to get like that.
Turn it after me. That's fine. I agree.
That's not really a foul.
Yep, hard kick.
Nice, Connor. Nice, good job. Good, Josh. Good job.
Good job, Josh.
Good job.
Cheer your brother on.
Good job, Josh.
Somebody went to the bathroom.
Let's go with Phil.
Hey, what is it?
Good.
All the time when you leave. When I see it
We're
on.
tied up now when you left the other team scored. So it's 2-2. Josh just tied it.
That's good. We're almost done now.
10 more minutes or so.
Hi, KJ. You got it, KJ. Go, KJ. I see it on. No. Got it, Micah. Go, KJ. Good try. Joshy, look for the gaps where they can long ball. Joshy, stay in the middle of the gaps where they can long ball. Okay, Coach Ryan. Try it. Ow. I'm not long ball. I'm not fun to long ball. Can?
You ready, Mason? Reset, Psyche!
Get it, Connor! Go, Connor. Good job. Come on.
Advice again, advice again!
Nice. Good job. Let's go, Micah! Orange box. Orange ball or else with that. I like your hair. Daddy did a good job. Of course, Coach Benji. Not on. Come on.
Go,
Let's go,
Joshy.
Josh.
Come on.
Come on, come on, fight!
Good
Good
Josh!
Come on. Let's go.
Woo, shot. Oh,
Yeah.
Good
Wow.
job.
Good job, bud.
That was a sunny hole you got it into.
Yeah. Good job, Josh.
Good job, Josh.
Josh, go!
Good.
KJ, Psyche! Psyche, go!
No, sweetie. That's not. I told him not to do that. Be humble.
Jaden! Arthur is gonna need help!
The sun was-
Come on, Ezra. We need to win this ball back.
The letter.
He needs advice, Ace!
Come on, KJ. You got it, KJ. Got this. I think the ref calls it out. I just put my own together. Go, KJ. Go in. Is lettuce like a bigger
Cross is cross the plate. The other plate. So much.
Keep going, Ace. Keep going, Ace. Go, Kaden.
You don't put coverage in.
Go, Connor. They're all getting so much better.
Come on, Arthur.
Yeah?
Let's go, Arthur.
Wait for the spot! Jake, where are we?
Go, Kaden.
Get it, Arthur!
Tied up 3-3.
KJ, come. Michael, you're on this side.
Ace, reset, Ace.
Hey, yeah. Tell Faisal. Tell Faisal. Micah, go closer. Micah, go closer.
Come on, we need another goal, Anthony.
Hey!
Come on, Anthony. Go, Anthony.
Work for me. Come, ref. Mason, come! Alright, Psyche, go down! Psyche, take the throw, Psyche! Michael, put the ball down! Get back in the field, Psyche! Again! Get back in the field! Let's go, Michael! Work, Michael! Work, Michael! Work, Michael! Work, Michael!
Ace, let's go, Ace.
I need a minute of hard work, Michael! 1 minute of hard work, Michael! I need you to work! Let's get back on defense, man. Let's go! Grab the ball! Turn around, face the ball! Get it! Arthur, we need work from you two! Turn it! Turn it! Gotta go big! Gotta give it my pace! Gotta give it my pace! Gotta go big!
Get it, Arthur!
Come